Hi, my name is Enzo. I'm the founder of Dental Tech Expert, and today we're going to talk about the top 3 chairside systems in the market right now. But before we do, as always, like, subscribe, do something about this video. Before we talk about the top 3 systems, let's define what a chairside workflow looks like. It is a system or a workflow that allows you to finish a case in under 90 minutes, maybe 2 hours. And the main goal of this is that you can have a one session crown done. So let's start with what is probably the best known system in the market, which is the Dentsply Sirona, the CEREC system. And what is it made out of? It consists of the Prime Scan, nowadays the Prime Scan 2. The software is the InLab, a Prime Mill, and then the CEREC Speedfire. The great advantage of this system is definitely the speed. And the thing that makes it really fast is the milling. The milling, you can get it done in maybe 10, 12 minutes, a simple crown. The problem with the system here is the cost. You're gonna easily spend over 100,000, maybe even close to 150,000 for a full workflow. Now, jumping into position 2 here, we're talking about the Up3D So Real workflow. And the really cool thing about this system is, of course, the cost. You can get the same kind of equipment. So you can get a Up610 intraoral scanner, the UpCAD and UpCam softwares, the P42 Plus, and the F30 finishing oven, all for probably around $30,000. So 1/3 of the cost of a Sirona system. What is the compromise here? A little bit on time. You're gonna maybe take 10 to 15 minutes longer to mill than you would with the CEREC system. Is that worth it or not? I think that's up to you to make your decision. And in position 3 here, we have a new kind of workflow. Because if we think about it, the thing that really gives the chairside experience is the software. Because at the end of the day, a scanner is going to scan maybe 30 seconds, a minute slower. The mill is always going to mill. Again, maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes faster or slower. But what really gives the experience of having all integrated and easy to use in one system is the software. That's why Sirona has been alone in this market for so long, because they had InLab as their software that connects the scanner with the mill. Now Up3D has launched the So Real, where they connect everything with their software. And now you have cloud platforms like Circle One here that can connect multiple brands of scanner to multiple brands of, let's call, production equipment using its software. It is a pay-per-use software, so you don't pay initial fee, you just pay per crown, per case that you design. And the really cool thing about this is that you get, for example, a scanner from Shiny3D, from Dexys, from AlignStar, and you can connect using only one software to production systems from Amann Girrbach, from VHF, from Formlabs, from Shiny3D, of course, and from Asiga. So I think this would be the top 3 to, they're not closed, but to complete packages and an open custom system using Circle One as the software. If you want to know which of these options are the best to your reality, we're always here to help.